The last hour would not come before the Euphrates uncovers a mountain of gold, for which people would fight. 99 out of each 100 would die, but every man amongst them would say that perhaps he would be the one who would be saved. Al-Hadith Muslim Sharif, book number 41, hadith number 6918.